Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm in the chocolate factory here in Arizona. What's the name of this mall?
Arizona Mills.
The Arizona Mills. And what's your name?
Elise.
This is Sister Elise. And look at all this chocolate in here. Oh, you come to Arizona. This is Tempe, Arizona we're in. If you come to Tempe, Arizona, you need to come to the mall. And when you come to this mall, what's it called? Come to the Arizona Mills Mall. And then you need to come to the chocolate factory. Huh? What is it? The Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. And you need to see Sister, what's your name?
Elise.
Sister Elise over here. And she'll hook you up with some chocolate. Look at this beautiful chocolate. Ooh. God bless. Ooh, God bless the chocolate. Now here's what Dr. Kemp got. Here's what I got. Let me show you what I got. I got one of these almond candy apples right here. That's what I got. And then I came over here and I got me, what else did I get? My wife got some chocolate strawberries. And then I came over here and got a cashew. Then I got a cashew cluster. So we're just enjoying ourselves here in Arizona during our Christmas vacation. There the sisters back there, look at her back there. Sister Joanna, Sister Kemp, and we're having a good time. Well, that's enough for this video. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, coming all the way from Arizona, saying to you, peace out.